platform, the Anypoint Runtime Plane app plays a crucial role in deploying and managing your Mule applications and API proxies. It essentially acts as the execution environment for your integration flows, providing the infrastructure and resources necessary for them to run effectively. Here's a breakdown of the key functionalities of the Anypoint Runtime Plane. Deployment and management. You can deploy your Mule applications, EA files, and API proxies, WAR files, to the Anypoint Runtime Plane. App offers various deployment options to cater to your specific needs. MuleSoft Managed Runtime. MuleSoft manages the underlying infrastructure and resources for your applications. On-premise runtime. You can deploy app on your own infrastructure, providing greater control over the environment. Hybrid deployments. A combination of both MuleSoft managed and on-premise deployments can be configured for a hybrid cloud approach. Once deployed, app provides functionalities for managing your applications, including starting, stopping, and restarting applications, monitoring application health and performance, scaling applications up or down based on traffic demands, logging and tracing capabilities for troubleshooting issues. Benefits of using Anypoint Runtime Plane. Simplified deployment. App streamlines the deployment process for your Mule applications and API proxies. Scalability and elasticity. It enables auto-scaling of your applications based on workload demands, ensuring optimal resource utilization. Centralized management. Provides a single pane of glass for managing all your deployed applications and API proxies. High availability. App can be configured for high availability, ensuring your integrations remain operational even during infrastructure failures. Choice of deployment. The flexibility to choose between MuleSoft managed or on-premise deployments allows you to tailor the approach to your specific requirements and security considerations. Relationship with Anypoint Control Plane. It's important to understand the distinction between the Anypoint Runtime Plane and the Anypoint Control Plane. Anypoint Control Plane manages the configuration, design, and API definition aspects of your integrations. It's where you create and define your API specifications, develop Mule flows using Anypoint Studio, and configure global security policies. Anypoint Runtime Plane handles the deployment and execution of your applications and API proxies. It provides the infrastructure and resources for your flows to run and process data. In essence, the Anypoint Runtime Plane serves as the execution engine for your MuleSoft applications and API proxies. It offers a robust and scalable platform for deploying, managing, and monitoring your integrations, ensuring they function reliably and efficiently within your IT landscape.